We're a very large general FE college and we serve 5 local authorities and therefore quite a range of communities. And within every community there are individuals who have additional learning needs or disability, and we're working very hard to give them options within the college.
They range from moderate mild hearing loss to severe hearing loss. We work individual to the student. Some students are full BSL, some are SSE, some lip read, so we tailor the communication to the individual student.
Where staff lab staff over staff.
For college, they help me to do work experience. I got my confidence up because they're making me happy working there. Waiting for a lead to find a work for me and learn at the same time, really. And I can't wait for the future if I can confidence myself up to my level to do mechanic.
We've also been working with Elite, so they've been really helpful for supported apprenticeship schemes. So they'll come, get to know their faces, they'll come to Deaf Club so the students can meet them, see a familiar face. So that's really helpful. So by the time they're leaving college, they've got a contact, they know where to go to get the contact.
We're working with agencies like Elite who can continue to communicate with us about how well learners are doing once they've formally left college. And I think in many ways that's our success measure. We can talk about qualifications and experience, but ultimately it's about, did these young people get where they want to go? And did they stay there?